In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move text or object in Affinity Photo. Whether you're shifting a line of text, a shape, or a full image layer, the process is the same, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. Start by using the Move tool. You'll find it in the Tools panel, typically on the left side of your screen, and it looks like a simple arrow icon. If you prefer shortcuts, press the V key to activate it instantly. This is the tool designed specifically for repositioning things on your canvas, so it's the one you want whenever you need to move anything. Next, click directly on the object you want to move right on the canvas. That could be text, a rectangle, or a placed image. When it's selected, you'll see a bounding box appear around it, usually with corner and side handles. That box is your visual confirmation that you've got the right layer active. If you click and don't see a bounding box, double-check that you're actually on the Move tool and that you're clicking on the object itself, not on empty space. Also keep in mind that if multiple layers overlap, the topmost visible one under your cursor is the one that will be selected. Now, drag it to where you want it. Click and hold on the selected object, then move your mouse to reposition it anywhere on your canvas. As you drag, you'll see the object follow your cursor. Release the mouse button to drop it into place. Depending on your settings, you may notice helpful snapping guides that appear. These are there to assist with quick alignment and can make it easier to position things neatly. This method works exactly the same for text, images, shapes, and other objects, as long as the layer isn't locked. If it seems like nothing is moving, even though you've selected the object, it may be locked or on a protected layer. You'll typically see a small lock icon in the Layers panel when that's the case. A couple of quick reminders to keep things smooth. If you find yourself editing text instead of moving it, you're probably still on a text tool. Switch back to the Move tool with the V key and try again. And if you need finer control, zooming in before you drag can help you place elements more accurately without changing the basic move process. That's all there is to it. Activate the Move tool, click to select your object, drag it to the new position, and release. Simple, consistent, and reliable across all kinds of layers in Affinity Photo.